So you've just bought an F20 or an F21, and you're wondering, what's the first things I'm gonna do to it to make it look an extra little bit saucy?
This is my BMW 140i. I mean, it looks a bit boring at the moment, and that's because it's completely stock.
Well, I've got a couple of things that I'm going to share with you guys today to do to your car. F20, F21, it's all going to fit.
We're starting off small, but as time progresses, you will see that there's going to be a lot more things to come for this car. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and you follow for what videos are to come. Like and subscribe!
But here is, I think it's about 5 things that I'm going to do to this car to get the modifications rolling. So the car from factory, they look pretty nice to be fair. A little bit too high off the road. At the end of the day, it's not an M car, even though obviously they've put the little M badge on there. So for all you guys out there saying, 140 is not even an M car, you're kind of right, but you're kind of wrong, because at the end of the day, they did still put a little M Sport badge on the vehicle. It's not too bad from factory, and what I'm going to do today is, first of all, badges. Yes, badges. So this little bad boy I got off of the internet, it is the anniversary edition. Now I like the colour white, and I was looking at these and I was thinking, well, I want to have as much white on the car as possible, and this just has a little bit more white compared to the stock one. I'm going to try a little something here. I've been watching videos about how to get these wheel caps out, and they can be absolute nightmare. But I did see somebody use one of these. Now if you're in photography or video, you're going to know what this is. This is what we use to attach a GoPro to a vehicle. I'm going to use this suction thing to hopefully pull it out. Attach it to the wheel, clamp it down. Okay then, maybe not. Oh, God's sake. The suction cup didn't work. I should have tested it beforehand, so we're going to use a flathead screwdriver.
Yeah, flathead screwdriver. Don't try and use a flathead screwdriver because it damaged the wheels. It's not good.
And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we got a wheel cap. Woo!
Yeah, it was all going so well until I realised that the flathead screwdriver was not going to be easy. I did all of the other 3 with great difficulty. However, it did take me a very long time, and there was damage to the wheels. Only a little bit, but still not ideal.
Why is this so difficult, man? Alright, phase 1 is done. All wheels have the new anniversary badges on them. Personally, I really like them. Obviously not too sure about the grey wheels, but I mean, wheels are going to be changed in the future anyway. But yeah, I think they look really good. I'm pretty happy with those. Now I should be able to get under with this trim tool here, so I'm just going to try and get underneath it. But I'm going to try this side there.
Now it all seemed to be going so well until I realised something.
So a little bit of a problem. The badges here, I've obviously put some M3 tape on the back of it, but you see these little nugs on the end of them right there. I thought that there would be 2 little holes there, but there's obviously not. So I need to trim these off, slice them off, hopefully not get my fingers, and then we'll just stick them down.
What I didn't realise when I ordered these is that there's 2 little pins on the back of both badges, front and rear, that you need to get rid of to be able to stick them down. So I was very careful to cut these off so they would fit.
It's taken a while, but I finally managed to crack them off. That was nice and flush, ready to put on. Front badge done, nice and straight. Now we're going to crack on with the rear. Now hopefully this one comes off a bit easier.
And I was right, it does come off easier. Trim removal tool is all you need to get this off. Just get it underneath, give it a little wiggle, and it will come straight off. Just make sure that when you're fitting the replacement badge that you get it centered correctly and that it's just facing just right. You don't want to get it stuck down and have to peel it back off again, because you're gonna have a bad time.
Most people, what they do is they put the gloss black like badges and surrounds on it. You know, they put the like gloss black bit there, and they put the gloss black this bit here and around there. You know what, I actually bought some of that and I was going to put it on as part of this video, but after looking at how clean it looks with the standard chrome, I'm going to leave it as it is. So next up is going to be the old crash bars. So you can actually buy these caps that basically go over the top of them, and you can get loads of different colours, and I've gone for white, so let me show you. The crash bar covers the V-brace thing. This is what they look like. Literally just pieces of plastic, and these you got to get behind the grill, so I'm going to do that now.
If you've got big hands, you're going to be in for a big surprise. You got to take off the weather strip at the top, and then you remove all of the Torx head bolts across the top of the front bumper. Once you've done that, you can peel the front bumper forward at the top to gain access to the push clips on the reverse of the grills to get it out. Once you've removed the grill, give it a nice clean around. While it's open, you might as well just give it a clean. And all you got to do is just literally reach through behind the grill, slide them on, clip them on. It is really that easy.
So that's number 2, guys. I really like the look of this. It just freshens it up, make it look a little bit modern. I've been here, I've done the badges, and I've done that, and I've probably been here over an hour. Now, are you a true BMW 140i owner if you don't have a set of these put on within the first 2 weeks of owning the car? These are M3, M4 style mirror caps, real carbon fiber as well. And this is how you put them on. Nice and easy. You ain't gonna be breaking any glass. I'll show you how to do it nice and easy.
I don't know what it is and why all these owners all decide to do the M-style mirror caps, but I mean, I'm one of those guys. I think they look good. Obviously real carbon fiber, really easy to pop it off. Just a trim removal tool just to be able to get underneath, just above the indicator, slide them in so it clicks, make sure it's on, make sure it's all flush. And that is literally it. It is so easy to install these. It actually surprised me. As you can see, I actually misaligned a clip, reapplied it, and then after I kind of worked everything out, it just went straight on, nice and easy. So you need to make sure you get it all aligned correctly, and as long as you do that, it will go straight on.
Looks insane. The carbon fiber, such good quality, and especially when the sun's hitting it just there, it's like, oh, so good. So just like that, 3 easy mods did it in the space of an hour and a half, if that. Every F21 owner should do something like this, just kind of make it a little bit different. You know, some people out there like the OEM badges, that's fair enough. But most of the time, people actually need to upgrade their badges anyway because they get old and weathered and all that kind of stuff.
But if you found this video helpful, drop a like on this video, drop a comment, subscribe. You know how it is, in YouTube land. The more you interact with this video, the more it's going to help push it out there. But yeah, more videos to come in due course. Won't be too long, and there's another 2 videos I know that I've got ready to go. So yeah, like and subscribe. See you in a bit. Bye.